Do you ever feel nothing? Not sad, not happy, not excited, just empty. You go through the day. You smile when needed. You function. But inside, it feels quiet, flat, disconnected. If this sounds familiar, you're not broken. This is called emotional numbness, and it's often your brain's way of protecting you. In this video, we'll explain the psychology and neuroscience behind emotional numbness in simple language. Emotional numbness is a defense mechanism. Your brain's main job is survival. When emotions become overwhelming, especially pain, fear, or trauma, the brain sometimes reduces emotional intensity. It turns the volume down. This is not weakness, it's protection. When feelings are too heavy, the nervous system may choose feel less to survive more. The stress system and shutdown. You've heard of fight or flight, but there's another response, freeze. When stress becomes chronic or feels inescapable, the body may shift into shutdown mode. In freeze mode, energy drops, motivation decreases, emotions feel distant, you feel disconnected from yourself. This is the nervous system trying to conserve energy and reduce pain. The role of the amygdala and brain chemistry. The amygdala detects emotional threat. When it's overactivated for too long, the brain may adapt by dampening emotional signals. Stress hormones like cortisol stay elevated. At the same time, feel-good chemicals like dopamine may decrease. The result? Less joy, less excitement, less emotional depth. It's not that you don't care, your brain is tired. Trauma and emotional suppression. Emotional numbness is also a core symptom of depression. Many people expect depression to look like constant sadness, but often it feels like emptiness, a loss of interest, a loss of emotional color. The world feels gray. Why numbness feels scary? When you can't feel joy, you may wonder, what's wrong with me? You may feel guilty for not reacting the way others expect. But numbness is not a personality flaw, it's a nervous system response. The hidden cost of staying numb. While numbness protects you from pain, it also blocks deep connection, excitement, passion, love. When you shut down pain, you often shut down pleasure too. Reconnecting with emotions safely. You cannot force feelings back. The brain needs safety first. Start small. Notice physical sensations in your body. Spend time in calm environments. Reduce overstimulation. Talk to someone you trust. Seek professional support if needed. Healing is not about feeling everything at once. It's about slowly teaching the nervous system that it's safe again. To summarize, emotional numbness is a protective response. Chronic stress can trigger freeze and shutdown. The amygdala and brain chemistry play a role. Trauma and depression often involve numbness. Safety and support help restore feeling. You are not empty. You are protecting yourself. And with safety, feeling can return. If this video resonated with you, like the video, subscribe to PsycAcademy, comment, when did you first notice feeling emotionally numb? Understanding your brain is the first step towards healing.